yakni benta jong khubor la Wan Khawai daga fatafat online shopping store.
U Director ke DHS MIU Dr. Amanwar ula pentip bagi dan hadu sispa khandai pupra Ngut Kiba dan Jingiadei ni kendo bat Kito Kiba Wan Iathoh na Greenwood Resort Assam. Une U Director ke DHS MIU ula Iathoh baga jumwa di contact tracing kadang beteng hadu bentang.
198 for the wedding thing, and the cluster from Kanaparam almost finished. That is why we got the 19 cases. And for Negrams, because it's a huge number. Okay, there are so many people who entered, but not necessary for all who entered Negrams means we have to contact trace them, but just to be on the safe side. So we are doing from our side, Negrams also is doing from their side for the people who are working in Negrams. So that figure will come up later.
Nagaliang Menteri Rang Ba Benrap uba Prestun Tensong ula Iathoh baka sorkar kalarai bakan sapha ya kakerteng jong kini sispa khandai pupra Ngut syaki dorbar snong baki don kini kibriu lembat syaka COVID Management Committee khanang bala bante lakam yaki namar kini baro sispa khandai pupra Ngut ki hab ban syong slong ne quarantine hadu khat sausngi.
DHS has mentioned to all of you 198 contact tracing has been done. So from now on, what we are going to do is, those names will be also communicated to all the local headmen or the COVID-19 management committee of the respective locality, requesting them to kindly monitor the movement of these people, because we would like to request them that let them quarantine themselves in the respective houses and don't mix around with your neighbors or with the locality. So from now on, as I said to you, we decided today in the review meeting that DHS, Health Department and even the district administration should immediately inform those people whom we have completed the contact tracing. As long as the sample testing is awaited for the report.